I say that loose natural hair is overrated and locks is underrated. But let me tell you why. Let's rock, let's rock. Hey guys, it's all that jazz. We're on the journey to 1K, so go ahead and join today by hitting that red subscribe button. And if you're not new, welcome back. Welcome back. So today I am giving you a video. It's about unpopular opinions. So my own opinion about loose natural hair versus locks, period, in general. So don't come for me, don't try to fight me. Like, we all here together. New metal uno. The thing that I don't miss at all about loose natural hair is it takes so much work. Loose natural hair takes too much work. It just takes too much time. Let me tell you all that it includes. You got wash day, right? Shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and then also styling it and moisturizing it, and also making sure your scalp is oil. So in total, your hair, because let's remember, they recommend keeping your conditioner in to sit in your hair. So that's what, an hour or two. Because when we get out of the shower and we keep that conditioner in, some people might really time it. The average person, that conditioner probably in for till we finish cleaning the bedroom. At that point, it's added on to the time that it already took you probably like 30-45 minutes to actually wash your hair. And don't forget that before you wash your hair, you have to detangle it, probably from whatever style it was in. I mean, if you have the time to do so, you know, kudos to you, but life is just so busy that I don't even know what I was doing before. Like, longest part was styling. That in itself might be an hour to 2 hours, depending on what style you're trying to achieve. Don't forget this step. When you're styling your hair, you might be using like the lock method, and more than likely, like for me, one product didn't work, so I'm like, okay, boom, let me put this product on. Okay, then let me put this oil on top to seal in the moisture. Okay, then let me do this last product. So we talking about like 3 products just for one 2-strand twist, just for one braid if I'm trying to accomplish a twist out or a braid out. What? Why do I have short sleeve on in February? Why? Because it's 69 degrees in Georgia in the afternoon in February. I'm just confused on what we want to do with the weather. I'm confused. Is it April or is it February? Like, and don't be trying to leave. Like, the sun got to stay at this point. Don't be trying to get cold again. You're here now. With loose natural hair, a lot of us people think that like, oh, wash and go is so easy, and it's not if you want it to be cute. Because for me, like I'm saying, I'm speaking from my personal experience. When I used to do wash and goes, I might wake up in the morning and be like, okay, let me try to achieve this style, and then like an hour later it's extra dried out because probably I wasn't using the right products, but it's dried out, the curl's not popping no more, it's over with. So the point of the wash and go that I just spent maybe an hour on getting each section, because if you want your wash and goes to be popping, you can't take clumps of hair and just be like boom, boom, boom. Not with like 4C at least, or the type of hair that I had. You gotta do like, let me show y'all, at least this size section of curls to really have them popping all over your head. And yet and still they were not popping. No, it's a no for me. You can agree or disagree, but these styles not worth it. Let's not even talk about how long the styles last. They don't even last that long. So not for me. Like I said, maybe you just have to find the right combination of products. Another unpopular opinion is people probably like, nah, you would spend the same amount, but no, they cost too much. The products, by the time you buy your shampoo, your conditioner, your leave-in, your moisturizer, some oils, also whatever cream might work for your styling, you're adding up. Guess what? You're not just sticking with those for your whole life. Like, if you do, good job for you. But most people are like, that's why they make new products. They're like, let me try this, this one might work better because it doesn't have this ingredient. This one, they said, don't have it. It's a whole new ball game, new tips every single month. 1 week, we should be putting this in our hair. The next week, no, that's bad for your hair. Why? Trying to figure out what works best is going to make you spend even more money over time, because we get a product and more than likely, I'm the return queen. You can ask any of my friends. I'm gonna be the first one in line like, yep, this didn't work, you can go ahead and take this back. But the average person, typically, you're not really gonna take the time out of your day to go return a hair product that you dipped in. And sometimes we're like, well, maybe I just didn't use it with the right product, let me try it again, but let me go get another product and try it again. You see what we're doing now? We're going in a whole circle of continuously buying products until our product bill is like $100, $200, $300 added up. We could be using that on food that we don't need to eat. If you go get like a twist out or braid out or just any kind of like loose, like a natural style, and it could last maybe like a week, but after about a week you're like, dang, all right, what's next? And you just spent $60 to $80 on that style. You're like, well, gotta wait another week. What do I do until I go back again for another $60, $80? So let's calculate that. 80 and 80, $160. When just every 6 to 8 weeks for Sister Locks, it's like $125. I'm just saying. An unpopular opinion is everybody feels like they need to be natural. It's not for everybody though. Like, that's why there's so many different styles. Whether locks are shamed upon or not, whether wigs are shamed upon or not, or braids, you gotta do what works best for you. Not everyone is able to maintain or get the hang of their natural hair. They do it for years and years and years, trying different products, trying to go to different people, and they still could not, like, we still couldn't figure out what works. And you still could not feel, you might be like, oh, the twist out worked this time, but next time it didn't. What did I? You're trying to figure out what works and what don't work for so long, but it's just not for everybody. An unpopular opinion: other curl types are not better than other curl types. So just because you have 3A hair doesn't mean that your hair is better than 4C hair. You have to embrace whatever it is that you have in whatever form, whether that be locks or braids or loose natural hair. People gotta stop with the comparison of, ooh, her hair is nice, and all of that stuff. It's okay if you weren't blessed with that. It's so many other options. I say that loose natural hair is overrated and locks is underrated, but let me tell you why. Locks are live, period. It's the new wave, and honestly, me and my friend were just talking about this. I've never seen so many people in my life getting locks, and that's traditional locks, micro locks, sister locks. Like, it is booming right now, honestly. I'm not saying that just because I have it. I have noticed the increase because everybody like, you said easy? You said just wake up and go? You said no maintenance? Bet. And locks they're more cost efficient. I go at a timely manner. $125 for regular locks. For loose natural hair, I don't know what I was paying, but I know I was getting braids probably once in every year and there. Braids are like 180 plus, and more than that, like 200 if you want the ones that are in style. You don't want just like poetic justice braids. You want the cute knotless braids, you want the faux locks. That stuff adds up. That first initial investment, I'm not gonna lie, it's an investment, especially depending on how long your hair is. But after that, on a month-to-month basis, 6 to 8 weeks, you're averaging way less than paying for products for loose natural hair. Locks, y'all. Locks save time. I don't care what you gotta say to me. Loose natural hair is a whole 8-hour day. Whole 8-hour day. It's just not a quick like boom boom. Literally like wake up, spray your hair for the day, typically with water, and style and literally go. Y'all don't understand how much time can be saved. Like, your whole life changes because now you have time to get ready. You can put more effort in getting dressed, putting that perfume on, and doing your makeup, because you don't have to have an allotted time for your natural hair. You like, dang, the night before an event, you gotta do your curls, your flexi rod set, and then wake up, hope that it's completely dry, and then take them out, only to be like, dang, they didn't come out. Then what you gonna do? What's next? But with locks, you just be like, boom, style, not feeling that style, take it down. Boom, style, okay, that's the one. And then you move on. You go to the event, you cute, you poppin'. Locks help you embrace the new you and help you with your time management skills. Let me know some of your unpopular opinions in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you're still here, you should have already clicked that subscribe button because you're still here. Don't forget to comment, share this video if it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.